Okay, so um, this right here is the back end look of a campaign. And so what you can see here is that there's it's a lot at first, okay, but what we're going to be to just overview, there's your traditional search campaigns, and this is where we'll live. Is that if you were to just type in something like in Google a gym near me, oops, excuse me, gym near me. This is a search, and you can see this is an ad right there. Okay. So that's what a search campaign. A display campaign is, sometimes when you go to a website and you see ads on the side of the page, well, those are displays. And then a video campaign is when you see, because Google owns YouTube, is when you see ads in YouTube. Yes, those are effective, but I think for the most part, all my conversions have come from search campaigns, so we're just going to stick with that. So, um, so this is the back end, but what does it look like from the front end? So let's take, for example, um, gym near me. Okay, so let's run up these guys' ad stuff. And the way the interface on Google looks now is that the top of the page are the paid for ads. You'll get this map or snack pack, and it's basically a map location. This uses Google My Business to generate this, and then your traditional SEO or organic search results. And sometimes down at the bottom, there'll be ads here as well. So if we go to page 2, there's ads, 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 and then ads at the bottom. So if we do a personal trainer in Bel Air, okay, right here, the lovely, great Signum CrossFit. And then we got up here in the snack pack, we're listed here. And this is an ad here. This is actually a location extension. Explain possibly some of that later. And then our organic results. Right here is my gym as well, working on getting this higher, and then ads at the bottom. So it's all about real estate. So if you can have an ad, you have your gym here in the snack pack, and if you can really get here in the organic results, this is more so SEO and outside the scope of these videos, then you're really rocking it. But these definitely do get clicks here. So let's run up what happened. So we're going to click on this guy's ad, run up his campaign. But first, let's just copy here, not click on it, so we don't run my spending up. So you can see taken to a page, and this is just a ClickFunnels page to book your free intro, fill out a form, lead capture, that takes to a scheduling page, just all this good stuff. And let's see what this guy's doing over here. Let's see, this Todd Bauer guy. You can see here, if you click over here, private training coaching, yada, 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 schedule your training, sign me up with a health coach. This landing page sucks. No testimonials. It's call to actions like buried. I don't know if it's part of the text, some input form there. So let's look at gym near me. Look at some of these bigger chains, like Planet Fitness. Let's click on this. They're basically taken to a call to action. Select one of these. Because it's a lower entry point, very cheap, then they ask for payment right away. So now the way that this works versus your traditional Facebook ads is when I click there, that charges up on a cost per click. So versus a Facebook ad, you pay to get your ad put in front of people on impressions. So here, this is in front of me, it's an impression, but if I don't click it, it won't charge them. So cost per click model versus an impression. Someone's actually searching out a gym versus someone's, let's look up my friend Sherman, personal trainer in Gainesville, Florida. I believe he's in Gainesville. And nothing here. So and then nothing on the SEO. So if you were to pay for an ad, these are Thumbtack is, you know, you could click on this, run up this ad, and schedule your free intro session. Okay, it's about the gym, some philosophy, some training options, personal training. I mean, group classes. What I don't like about this particular one is that I typed in personal trainer in Gainesville, Florida, right? And it's talking to me about, you know, the gym and a free session, philosophy, the gym, training, group classes, and personal training's all the way down. I type personal training. This should be about personal training. Should add some testimonials about the program, success stories, things like that. So that's an overview on the user interface of how Google AdWords works. Next, we'll go over behind the scenes how it works.